Welcome to the adventures of Ace and the Big Blue Truck. Today we're on Metal Masher. Obstacle 8 on Trails Off-Road Guide. The Big Ledges. Here we are on the approach. We decided to start on the left side. This is Truck's first time going up big ledges since the lift and the tires. There are bigger ledges we could have tried, but I thought this one would be a real challenge. Well, boy, was I wrong. Let's watch as Truck gets her stuff done. Well, here's another one in the books. I was hoping for a big challenge that time, but Truck just walked it. She really is doing well with those new lift and tires.